All right, ladies and gentlemen, number 3 in your math notebook. A movie costs $8.50 for adults and $5.75 for children under 13. I think that's fair. Why do I have to pay more money? Because I'm old. Shouldn't it be the opposite? Old people get more discounts?
The old people do.
Yeah, old people do. I'm in between. I'm not old enough, and I'm not young enough. I'm just like this in between.
You look like you're 20.
Oh, thank you guys. You look like I'm 20. Oh, A's for all of you. Enrico's father took Enrico and 2 of his friends to the movie. If Enrico and his friends are under 13, what was the total cost for the movie? In your math notebook, give me an equation. You are going to have probably more than one equation. You could write it all together as one equation. I would separate and probably make 2 equations, but your choice. Go ahead and solve, please. I think Mrs. Long qualifies for that old age where she gets that extra discount.
You're bullying her. Miss Long looks young.
No, I am not bullying her. Mrs. Long is my friend, and we understand that we joke with each other as friends, and that's what friends do. So we don't feel the need to go tattletale because I know that we are not giving each other real mean words, that we are simply having good fun with each other. There is a big difference in bullying and having fun with each other. Mrs. Long and I just like to have fun. I mean, Mrs. Bush is more funny than Mrs. Long. She doesn't have very good comebacks like I do.
He's gonna post something in the video.
All right, one more minute, guys. Left light on, please. Give me some possible solutions that you had. Hannah.
$25.75. Yeah, that's what I got.
Mason. Mimi.
I got 31.
Anybody else? Something different? Max.
I think it might be wrong. I got $26.75.
Anybody else? Anything different? Raina.
Probably wrong, but 17.9.
Anything different? All right, let's check and see if any of our friends got it. So, how many adults went to the movies? And how much was one adult ticket? Okay. How many kids?
3.
I hear 3 and I hear 4. How many kids?
3.
3. Enrico, and then 2 friends for a total of 3. Now here's where I said you could do one equation or 2. You could do 575 times 3 and then add that answer over here. Or you could do 575 3 times and add them all together. Both would have given you the same correct answer. If you would have taken this answer and added with our 850. Okay? Let's go through then. 5, 5, 5.
15.
3 sevens.
28. 21. 20.
And then 5. And then 1.
27.
Bring down my 5 plus 5 plus 5.
15.
Plus 8.
23.
Plus 2.
25. 26.
And don't forget your money sign.
I'm smart. Sorry. Edit 4. Good job, guys.
Yes.
I did the plus and first, but then to check out on those.
Nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, your homework for tonight for math. If you go to Schoology, turn the left light off for me, please. Let's see where my mouse is. Hold on. La la la. Oh, there it is. So on Schoology, when you go down, there will be 2 math videos, a math video 1 and a math video 2, just because I split it into 2 parts with our special. And you have a total of 5 questions on here. Okay? If you did not finish your Moby Max for morning work, you also have that to do. And for language today, you guys got 1 packet yesterday, and you guys are getting 1 packet today. This is from my class and Mrs. Long's class. My e-learners, I will always put 1 page at a time of whatever you're going to need. Or if you're going to need 2 pages for that night, I'll always put online what you're going to need. Okay? So your other packet, both packets have a little front that you could decorate. If you want to decorate in color on your own time, make sure your name goes in the front. Okay? 1 packet is going to be like our work pages, and 1 packet is going to be our final pages. Okay? And e-learners, like I said, I'll always put online what papers you guys need. Okay? You'll get the same papers. They'll just be on Schoology instead for you. Your homework for tonight. You have a vocabulary on the different types of poetry that there are. Okay? We're going to be studying lots of variety. Remember we talked about that poetry isn't just rhyming words. Okay? That's just a common misconception. There are lots of different types of poems. Okay? I also want you to download, if you go to the app portal on your iPad, there is an app called the Poetry app. Okay? And it has lots of different poems that we can read together, and it has even a place where you can create your own poems on that app. Okay? So the Poetry app in the app portal. And then you guys have a short quiz on Schoology under language. It is called 6-1. And there are a total of 9 problems. Okay, it's going to be looking at adverbs. Okay, looking at our adverbs. Are there any questions for what you guys have today for math or for language? All right, go ahead and get started.